Hello everybody, Micah Outdoor Living Guy talking today about built-in planters, and here we have custom planters. They're Core 10. We're going to talk more about these, but we're going to talk to you all about destination garden beds and garden raised planter beds right now. Enjoy, guys. So these are custom built Core 10 planters. You can get a lot of Core 10 planters online. Do a quick Google search and you will find a lot, which I think you'll find very helpful price-wise, because some of these are hard to get custom built. Finding the right guy and then taking the time to do these might take a little bit of time. But if you can find them, great. If not, consider going the custom route. Just be about getting a design, having them drawn up, and then having somebody build these. But it's just basically Core 10 metal. They can oxidize, they can look really cool, kind of patina, a little bit of copper patina, and all of a sudden you have these really cool custom built garden beds. So with these Core 10 beds, we also made it a destination to come out to. The house is way high, and we're gonna show this house right here, but then they walk down, and really what gets somebody down and out into their landscape better than a raised garden bed? So consider putting that down even as a destination. This property here, they kind of made a nature reserve, like a bird sanctuary, and so it's wildlife habitat, and it just attracts wildlife like you wouldn't believe. So consider putting that at the end of a kind of a sloped area, or even the backside of your property, and make it a destination, because I think you will really use the space. So another thing that I just want to say so strongly is when you're growing food in your landscape, just how cool is that to be able to have a self-sustaining landscape, to be able to come out and grab your tomatoes, grab your lettuces, use it for your barbecues, use it for your evenings. And how amazing is it to be able to grow and really kind of create a seasonal appeal to be able to have at all times during those summer months when we're growing. So I hope you enjoyed this piece on raised garden beds. It's something that I think is really encouraging for your family. It'll get you out, it'll get you using your space, and also get you enjoying growing food in your own landscape and really enjoying that. So guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you very shortly in the next video.